have this hole on this pair of jeans and it's in a spot that's like a little high to wear to work. So I'm going to patch behind it so that I am more modest at work. I'm going to cut it a little bit smaller so it fits behind here and it's not a huge piece. I'll start by serging the edges of my patch. I don't have to do this. I could let them fray out, but I like to. It's just something that I do to make it a little bit more finished. I'm going to put the patch on there from the inside. I'm centering it. I'll put a couple of pins on it. I'm doing 4 so I can see exactly where it's placed in the front. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm ready to sew. So I'm going to put this on the machine. And luckily, it's high enough up on my leg that it's easy to get in there. Go ahead and take a couple of the pins out. And I am just going to sew around the perimeter of this. Keep it super simple. Need to move my needle over. Back to center. Just turn that corner. I'll make sure everything is flat as I turn too, so I don't get any puckers in there I don't want. As I get to the end, I'm just going to overlap those original stitches. And so I'm just going to cut off the original threads so that I don't run over them. It'll make for a neater situation. Try to overlap those threads perfectly. Should be pretty good. Let's see how it looks. I'm so excited. All right, nice and simple.